Hey there, radicals! Are you tired of the endless cycle of trying to shed belly fat, struggling with health goals, and not feeling financially empowered? We get it. There are countless stories of people just like you, caught in a relentless loop of aspiration and frustration. But what if we told you there's a way to break free? Join the Raw Fam, a vibrant community dedicated to transforming your journey into a success story. Together, we focus on holistic well-being, integrating wellness, health, and wealth. As a member, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of resources, raw, vegan, and plant-based recipes, strategies, tools, all meticulously curated for your journey. Connect with like-minded individuals in our exclusive Raw Fam WhatsApp group. Benefit from weekly group coaching and live check-ins, keeping you on track and motivated. It's more than just a membership. It's a radical accountability system paired with unwavering support to help you achieve the life you deserve. By the culmination of our 2024 challenges, each radical in the Raw Fam will have achieved remarkable milestones. Picture this: you've made significant progress in shedding belly fat and advancing on your health and wellness journey. You're feeling healthier, stronger, and more vibrant than ever before. But that's not all. You've also launched a monetized YouTube channel, sharing your creative perspective and inspiring others with your transformative journey. You've published a book on Amazon KDP, sharing your story and wisdom with the world and becoming a published author. And let's not forget about the branded merchandise you've put up for sale, helping to build your personal brand and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Your social media presence is active and thriving, boosting your business and book promotions. And the cherry on top? You're earning affiliate commissions. That's right, an empowered financial journey awaits you in the Raw Fam. Isn't it time to embrace your radical and wealthy aspirations? This is not a mere daydream. This can be your reality when you join the Raw Fam. It's a transformation that goes beyond the physical. It's about embracing a lifestyle that supports your holistic well-being. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey? Join the Raw Fam today, and let's rewrite your story together, where wellness, health, and wealth converge into your version of holistic wealth. It's time to step into the new year with a renewed sense of purpose, energy, and vigor. With the Raw Fam, you're not just joining a community, you're embarking on a transformative journey. Ready to unleash the radical change you've been waiting for? Sign up now. The Raw Fam Patreon link is in the description section of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Raw love my radicals.